just now you finish your first lecture. How are you all? I'm glad to meet you all again and again. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Yes, very good morning. Today, I again welcome you all on behalf of Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Greater Mumbai, Online Education Department. Today, we are going to learn English subject, and in that we are going to see a grammar topic which you have learned before also. Today we are going to see articles. But before articles, I want to ask you something. Students, are you all willing to master in English? Yes or no? Are you all willing to master in English? Yes, yes, we all are willing to master in English. So, students, in order to master in English, we have to learn and study the important components of the English. And today, we are going to learn articles, which is one of the important component of the English, without which we cannot speak a fluent and splendid English. So students, today I am going to share a PPT with you. Observe the pictures, observe the PPT pictures and answer the questions carefully. Okay. So students, let's start with our today's session. Yes. Students, can you see the picture? First picture? Yes. What is this? Read this picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, very good. A pencil. A pencil. Now next picture. Now second picture. Read this picture. Yes, you can answer in your chat box also. You can answer orally also. A mango. Yes, very good. It is a mango. Now see the third picture, students. Yes, what it is? An elephant. An elephant. Yes, very good. Now see the next picture. What is this? Yes, it is an ant. An ant. And now here, read this. The red fort. What it is? The red fort. Yes, very good. Now students, now we have learned words. Now let's read a sentence. Okay, so this is your first sentence. In our last session, I told you how to form a sentences. So this is a small and simple sentence. So read this sentence. What it is? This is a flower. Yes, very good. This is a flower. Now the second sentence. This is an orange. Yes, this is an orange. Now students, see here. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. Yes. So while framing sentences also, we use a, the, and an. Do you have any idea what is this? Anyone? Do you have any idea what is this? See the red letters a, the, and an. Yes, yes. These are the a and the. These are very important components in the English, without which the noun or the subject is incomplete. So, these are called articles. What are they called? Articles. Articles, there are three articles. Yes, only three articles. A, and the. So, these three are the articles. These three are called articles. See, students, in your books, you whenever you read, when you open your any textbook, you see these three articles, a and the. These three articles are everywhere, without which we cannot, or without which our noun is incomplete. So a and the is very important component in the English. Now students, see the what is this? Who will tell me what is this? Yes, this is A, B, C, D. Yes. So let's see. This is our A, B, C, D, A to Z family. Yes. This is our alphabet family. Now, in this alphabet family from A to Z, there are some letters which, when we say them, we does not close our mouth, we does not bend our tongue also. They are natural voices. Okay, let's see this. See here, the left side, A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. Why these are called vowels? Because they are such speech sound which does not hinder our tongue and our lips, which comes out naturally. Yes, you can try. Say A. See, we does not touch our lips, we does not touch our tongue also. It comes out naturally. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, we does not touch our lips. So this is called vowels. That is why these are called vowels, because they are a, such a speech sound which comes out naturally. And the right side, B, C, D, E, G, they are called consonants. In our alphabet family, there are total 26 alphabets, but among them, 5 are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are vowels, and the rest are called consonants. You can call it as alphabet also, you can call it as consonants. Okay, so these are consonants. When we say B, we touch our lips. Our lips, they touch each other. So they are called consonants, and the vowels are natural sounds. They come without touching our lips, without touching our tongue also. We see the inside activity of your mouth. That is why they are called the vowels. And these are the sounds, vowel sounds. Yes. So vowels and consonants. When we start article, it is very important to understand what are vowels and what are consonants. So there are only 5 vowels. Yes, only 5. A, E, I, O, and U. They are called vowels because are they are natural sounds. Yes, and these are the consonants. Now see the next. Yes. Now students, I'm going to tell you a story of article brothers. A and the. There are 3 article brothers, you know. The first one is A. See this? The first one is A. The second one is an. And the third one is the. These are 3 brothers, A and the. The is the elder brother. Okay. And N and A, they are twins. A and An, they are twins. and the is their elder brother. Okay, students, the three brothers A and the three brothers likes to point out noun. All the three brothers like to point out noun. Now, in our before for previous session also, I told you what is noun. Noun is a naming word. It tells about some place, animal, things, or an idea. Yes. So this is a noun. And all the three brothers, A and the, all the three brothers, they like to point out nouns. Now see here, in noun also there are two types, that is singular noun and plural noun. So students, the A and both twin brothers, they like to point out singular noun like a book, a girl. I'll give you examples also. And the elder brother, the, he likes to point out singular and plural noun also. Singular and plural noun, both. Okay. Now, here, A and an, whenever they talk, always they talk about one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Why? Because they like to point out singular noun. Singular means name of one person, name of one place, one animal, and one thing. So they A and an both likes to point out singular noun. Okay. Now let's see the example. For example, okay, first see here. Let's talk about A. Now before I told you what is consonant, from B to Z, A to Z, there are 26 alphabets and among them 5 are vowels. So I have removed 5 vowels from this and the remaining are consonants. So students, always keep in mind A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Now, for example, cheer begins with consonant. The twin brothers have different hobbies also. A always likes to play with consonant balloons. Yes, he is having that hobby. He likes to play with a consonant balloon and it is used with noun that begins with consonant letter. Now see here, the first one, a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. Now students, here you can see the first letter. Sorry. You can see the first letter. See here the first letter C and here in the second one B. These are not vowels. They are consonants. Yes, these are not vowels. They are consonants. And A is always used before consonant. A is always used before consonants. So let's read this word. A cow. Yes, a cow. Now see the first letter of the cow, it is C and it is a consonant. It is not a vowel. That is why A is used before a word cow. Second word, a beetle. A beetle. So here the first letter is B. What is the first letter? First letter is B. And what is B? B is again a consonant. So before the consonant word, what we have used? A. A beetle. Yes, very good. Now see the third one. A deer. A deer. So the D, the first letter is D and it is a consonant. So before consonant, we use A. A deer. And the last fourth one, yes, read those fourth one. A pearl. Yes, very good. A pearl. Yes. So the word letter P is again a consonant, and that is why we use A before the consonant. Yes. Now see the next. Now see students, A always come with the A brother always come before the consonant letter. It is always used with a consonant letter. So A bus. See the bus, it is one bus only. So A bus. Yes. Now see the next example. I told you a cow. Yes, singular cow. There is only one cow. We are talking about only one thing, one singular thing. So, a cow. And why we have used A over here? Because C is a consonant letter and A is always used with a consonant. A girl. See, there are so many girls, but right now we are talking about a singular girl. Yes, so a girl. G is again a consonant letter and A is our article, a girl. Yes. Now you read this word. What is it? See the picture at your right side. Yes, what it is? Tell me. Yes, it is a zoo. And why we have used a over here? Why we use letter article A before zoo? Yes, very good. Because the zoo word starts with a consonant Z. Yes, the zoo word start with a consonant Z. Now, students, let's come back to the second brother, An. I have told you A and An, they are twin brother. Yes, so we have seen about A. Now, let's talk about An. An is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Here, here an always goes with vowel sound. What are those vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U. These are the five vowel sounds. Always remember these five vowel sounds because whenever we talk about the vowels, yes, we used article N before them. See here, I told you both the brothers are twin, but they have different hobbies. The first brother A, he likes to play with balloon, and the second brother An, he likes to listen to the vowel sound. He likes to listen vowels sound. So both are having different hobbies. They both point out noun. They both point out singular noun, but they have their different hobbies. Even if they are twins, they have different hobbies. A likes to point out. A likes to play with consonant balloons, and here Anne likes to listen music of vowel sound. Yes. Now see here, an umbrella. See the first picture. An umbrella. Why we used an before umbrella? Yes, because see the first letter of the word umbrella, U. And what is U? Who will tell me? What is U? Is it a consonant or a vowel? Yes, who will tell? Is it a consonant or vowel? U? Yes, U is a vowel. And before vowel, we always use article N. Yes, students, very good. Now see the next picture. See the picture. What do you see in the picture? And read the word. Yes. Yes. It is an octopus. Very good. An octopus. Octopus. Yes. See the word octopus and see the first letter of that word. O. Yes. It is a vowel sound. And we use article an before a vowel letter, before a vowel. Yes, so O is a vowel and an is an article which we use before it. Now let's see some more example to understand better. Now see your students, read this. What is this? Yes, an ink bottle. An ink bottle. See here, the vowel I is used. I. But when we pronounce I, how we pronounce it? Ink. Yes. I-N-K, ink. Yes. So it is I and we used an before it because it is a vowel. See here, the fourth picture. Yes. Read this picture. It is an elephant. Yes. Very good. An elephant. And first letter is start is a vowel. E. Yes. That is why we used an over here. An elephant. Yes. Now students, see, there are more examples of an. You can say an apple because A is used here. A is a vowel. An elephant. Yes. Elephant. E. It starts with E and E is again a vowel. And ice cream. Yes. Ice cream. I is a vowel. And otter. And otter. So O is again a vowel. An is always used before a vowel sound. Now students, see here, articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. I told you they both are twin brothers and they both like to point out noun. They both talk about a singular noun, means they talk about things, general things, like you can say common noun. They also talk about common noun. Okay, so next, now comes the elder brother. The elder brother name is article the. Article the is used to introduce, most of the time it is used to introduce plural noun. Sometimes we use it in a with the singular noun, but most of the time the is used to introduce plural noun. Most of the time it is used to introduce plural noun. Yes. Now see your students. Plural noun. Now see your students. The. We use the to introduce plural noun. Example. Now see here. The bicycles. How many bicycles are there? How many bicycles do you see in the picture? Yes. Yes, very good. There are two bicycles in the picture. Yes, that is why what we use the word the bicycle. If there is only one bicycle, then what we will say? A bicycle. But now we are talking about plural noun. There are two bicycles. So how you will say? The bicycle. We use the before the plural noun. Now see the books. There are four books in this picture. So these are plural books. And before books, what we will use? We will use the. Yes, the books. Yes. Now see the left side. There are two erasers. So how we will say? The erasers. Yes. Why erasers? Because we are talking about we are talking about plural noun. Plural. There are two erasers. Yes. That is why we use the article over here. Now see your students. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time. Yes. When we talk about the same noun the second time, that is about a particular thing. The is always used with a specific or a particular thing. Yes. Now see the example is there. That is a stall, and there is an umbrella on the stall. See here. Now, all the three brothers we have used in this sentence. Read this sentence carefully. See this sentence very carefully. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. See, that is a stall. Here we have used a article because we are talking about a singular noun, that is stall. Yes. So S is a consonant, and before that we used A. Now second is there is an umbrella. Umbrella. See, we have seen umbrella. Before vowel we use an. So we have used here an. There is an umbrella on the stall. Why we use the before the stall? Because we are talking about the stall before only, and the word stall is used in the sentence. The same noun we are using second time in the sentence, and we are talking about that particular stall only. So we use here the. Okay. Now students, here again, let's take one more example of the. This is an umbrella. An umbrella. Now students, see, this is an umbrella. The umbrella is big. Why we used the here? It is, the word is same, umbrella. Then why didn't we use an over here? Why we use the? Because we are describing an umbrella. Yes, and umbrella is a naming word. It is a noun. We have, when we when we describe some particular thing, so while describing we use the word noun. We, when we talk about it on the second time, we used the. For example, see, first see the picture of umbrella. Okay, first see the picture of umbrella. Umbrella. So how we will introduce umbrella? This is an umbrella. The umbrella is big. Yes. So like that, we are going to form sentences. Okay, and we will use other articles, a and the. Yes, the is used before a naming word when we have already talked about it. Okay, now see the next word. We use the with the noun that we have already spoken about once. Now see the second example here. I saw a black car. The car was empty. Now you understand? I saw a black car and the car was empty. This is a big sentence. Yes, we have used full stop also. And the car was empty. We have used the before car because we are talking it about second time. Understood? Now see the next. The is also used before the names of rivers, holy books, and famous buildings. Whenever students we talk about rivers, the holy books, and the famous buildings, we will say the Yamuna, the Quran. You can say the Bible. Yes. So we also say the earth, the sky, the sun, and the moon. Yes. Why? Because they are specific, they are particular. The earth. Earth is only one of its kind. There is no another earth. The sky. Sky is also, when we talk about the sky, sky is a specific and a particular thing. There is no other sky. Yes, it is specific. That is why we talk about, when we talk about specific or particular things, we use the in our sentences. Now students, here there are more examples where you can use the. This the is also used before names of seas, rivers, oceans. Example, the Ganga. The Ganga is a name of a river. Yes, that is why we are talking about a particular river. Now next, the Indian Ocean. So Indian Ocean, why we used the before Indian Ocean? Because we are talking about a specific ocean. Uh, uh, yes, Indian Ocean. Now see the next one. The is used before names of famous buildings. Yes, the is also used before the names of famous buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal. Yes, we are talking about Taj Mahal. It is a specific, and there is only one Taj Mahal. After Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. There are so many forts, but now we are talking about a specific and a particular fort, and the is used before it. The Red Fort. Yes, famous because it is a famous building. Now see the next one. The is also used before names of things. Before names of things that are only one of their kind. Just now I gave you example. Yes, the sun. It is only one of its kind. The moon. There are no other moon. That is why when we talk about moon, we will always use the. And the earth. When we talk about a specific thing about, we use the. Now see your students. There are some another examples I have given. See the first one written in the box. The is used to refer to specific or particular noun. When we talk about a specific or particular noun, or you can say proper noun, we use the. Yes, the is used with singular and plural noun, both. We can use the with a singular and plural noun also. Last, the is used when we use the same noun second time. I have given you the example. This is an umbrella. Yes, yes, we have seen that example before. Second time, when we use the noun, second time we use the. Now see here, there are some more examples of the. The sun, the moon. We are talking about a singular one, and we have used the. Why? Because they are specific. That is why we use their the. The Taj Mahal. Now see your students with the plural noun, the dogs. There are so many dogs. You can see in the picture, left side. There are so many dogs. So what we will say? The dogs. Now after dog, the kids. Yes, because we are talking about plural. So the kids, the books. Yes, see there are lots of books. So what we will use, which article we will use here? The books. Now students, here I have given you this example. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. See here, again we have used a and the in our sentences. Yes, yes students. Now before starting our lecture, I ask you, are you all willing to master English? Yes, your question is yes. You all want to master in English. So students, in order to speak correct and fluent on standard English, you have to know some tricks. And what are those tricks? The tricks are the proper use of three articles, that is a and the. Yes, articles. The only three articles, they are a and the. Students, they are the important components in the English, without which we cannot speak a fluent and splendid English. Yes. Article A and the are the basic and frameworks to the English. Yes. We can say without which a noun is incomplete. Now, if we say apple, apple, mango, but when we use "an" before it, an apple, a mango, it makes the noun complete. Without article, noun is totally incomplete. They are like inseparable friends. We cannot separate it. They are like inseparable friends. They are good friends, it means. Now, students, yes, see here. In order to speak splendid English, articles A and the know them. Yes, know them, adopt them, and make them your friends too. So now let's see one very important about a and an. Now students, here we have learned articles. Now let's see the difference between article a and an. The difference between a and an. A and an have the same meaning. Yes, they both are indefinite articles. The difference depend on the sound at the beginning of the next word. For example, see here, when we talk about when the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use a, and when the next word starts with a vowel sound, we use n. See here, there are examples: a book, a car, a dog. See the first letter, they all are consonant. A frog, a lemon, a truck, f, l, t, these all are consonants. That is why we use a over here. And in the right side, an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Yes, A, E, I, O, U. These are five vowel sound, and before vowel sound, we always use an. Yes. Now, students, be careful. The sound of the letter is important. Now, see here. The first example: a house, a house. H is a consonant. So here we use a before house. But when we talk about an hour, an hour, why we used an over here? H is a consonant. Then why we have used an before an hour? Here we used an because the H at the beginning of an of R is silent. It is mute. When we pronounce hour, yes, it does not we does not speak about h. It is mute. It is silent. We does not pronounce it. When we talk about house, so the h sound, her sound is coming out. And when we talk about hour and hour, so h is silent over here. Yes, only hour is, we can listen only hour. H is mute. H is silent. So whenever we come across with this silent H, always keep in mind, students, that we have to use an. We have to use an. Yes. Now see the second example. An uncle. An uncle. But when we talk about a bigger word, a university. A university. Yes. So students, you you would say, but when we talk about uncle, we use article n, and when we talk about university, we use a. Here, the u at the beginning of the university sounds like u, y-o-u. It gives us the sounds of y. That is why we are using here a. And uncle, here we are using vowel sound u, and here we are using y sound, that is university. So y is not a vowel, it is a consonant, and depending upon the sound we use here a. Now students, see here, this rule applies to all words after a or an, including adjectives and adverbs also. Now for example, a cold day, a very crazy person. Now see the next one, an example: an easy lesson, an interesting class. Yes, E and I is vowel over here. C and B is a consonant over here. Now students here, usage. Usage and example of articles. Articles used before words beginning with the consonant sound. What is used? A man, a lamb, a cat. Yes, A is used before words beginning with the consonant sound. Now next is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. We have learned this. An apple, because it begins with a vowel sound. An eraser, an umbrella. Now see your students, a and should agree with the first sound in the adjective or the adverb adjective combination which stands before a noun. I've told you it is very important when we write a and an article before the noun, we have to see the sound of the noun. An 80-year-old man. See here, the 80. When we say 80, we pronounce a vowel. A. That is why we have used here an. A golden necklace. A golden necklace. Yes, there is a because it starts with a consonant. A pretty girl. Yes, he is again a consonant over here. Now see here students, use a before words, letters, numbers which sounds like they begin with consonant even if the first letter is a vowel. I have given you example of the university. Yes, yes, I told you. Use a before words, letters and numbers which sounds like they begin with consonant. Yes, always pronounce that word like a euro. Yes, euro. When we say euro, when we pronounce the word euro, yes, we pronounce proper U, like university U, Y-O-U. So we pronounce like Y. Yes, the sound comes out like Y, and that is why we use here A instead of an. Yes, we have given you a university also. One. Yes. Now, last one, used an before words, letters, numbers, which sounds like they start with a vowel even if the first letter is a consonant. Yes. Now, see here, an hour. I gave you example. An hour. Here, H is silent, but it pronounce vowel sound. That is why we used here an. See here the next one. An F. An F. Yes, and F and 8 and 8. Yes, it depends upon the vowel sound. Even if it's consonant, it depends upon the vowel sound. Now now students see, this is your turn. A or an. Okay, you have to tell me. I will ask you what which article will you use here. You have to answer me now. Okay, now see the first one. Dash egg. What will come here? See the first letter, E. What comes to your mind? Pronounce the word egg. What comes to your mind? Which article you will use here? A or an? Yes, very good. An egg. Why? Because E is a vowel. Yes, very good. Now see the second one. Dash banana. See, the first word is already underlined. B. B is already underlined. So how you will pronounce it? Banana. Yes, banana. So banana, which article we will use before banana? Yes, very good. A banana. Yes. Now the third one, tomato. Tomato. The first letter is T. So T is a consonant. Yes, very good. A tomato. Now the fourth one is orange. Orange. So what we will use here? Yes, very good. We will use here an orange. Yes. Now let's do the next worksheet. Now students, here are some pictures. We have among these pictures we have seen some example before also. Now we are going to tick here the correct use of a and an. Okay, so let's tick. Sorry. Yes, just a second. Yes. So now let's start with, do you want a or an orange? Which one is correct? Yes, and we have seen an. Now see the second one. Give him a or an present. What will come here? Which is the right one? Give him. Yes, you can read the sentence, full sentence with a and an. See which article is suitable here. Give him a present or give him an present. So which article is more suitable here? See the noun present. See the first letter of the noun. It's P. Yes, give him a present. So here A is the correct answer. Now see the next. Do you want a candy or do you want an candy? Which one is correct over here? Yes, students, which one is correct? See, candy is a noun. It starts with C. Recognize what is alphabet, what is vowel? Yes. Yes. Do you want a candy? Now here candy is a correct answer. Now last one, we have seen this example before also. Do you want a apple or do you want an apple? What will come? See the word apple. It starts with A and before A, what we use? Yes, very good. We use an. We use an. Very good, students. So now you have understood the use of articles a and the. Now let's solve a last worksheet of this. See here, pick the correct option to complete the sentence given below. Okay. Now see here, see the first sentence. We can see dash stars at night. There are three options given down. A and the. Yes. So here the is already ticked. It is just for example. I have ticked the already. Why? Because here when we talk about the stars, yes, here when we talk about the star, we will use the. Yes. Why we will use the? Because we are talking about plural things, stars. That is why I used here the. Now you will solve. It's your turn. You will solve the second one. I saw dash eagle sitting on my terrace. I saw dash eagle sitting on my terrace. So which article we will use in this sentence? Think about the noun. In this sentence, this is the noun, eagle. Yes. So see the word eagle. Yes. Yes, tell me which article we will use over here. Yes, very good. We will use an. Why we use an? Because we are talking about eagle. It starts with E and E is nothing but a vowel. Yes, very good. Now see the third example. We will be going to dash zoo tomorrow. Now what you will use here? We will be going to dash zoo tomorrow. What you will use here? A and the. It's little tricky. I have told you that whenever we talk about some famous thing or some famous buildings, we used the before them. Yes. So we are talking here about zoo. So what we will use here? We will be going to the zoo tomorrow. Yes. Now see the fourth one. My mother gave me dash 5 rupees coin to get a pen for myself. My mother gave me dash 5 rupee coin to get a pen for myself. Now students, what article we will use here? My mother gave me 5 rupee coin to get a pen for myself. What will come here? A and or the? Yes, we will use here. Yes, we will use here A. My mother gave me a 5 rupee coin to get a pen for myself. Yes, very good. Now see the next fifth one. Nancy went to dash school by her school bus. Yes. Which article we will use here? Nancy went to dash school by her school bus. Yes. We will use here the because we are talking about a school. So now read the sentence. Nancy went to the school by her school bus. Yes, very good. You have all understood. Very good. Now see the sixth one. Dash aeroplane was flying high in the sky. Dash aeroplane was flying high in the sky. So what we will use here? A and the. See the word aeroplane. It is a noun. Yes, we will use an. Very good. An aeroplane was flying high in the sky. Yes, an aeroplane was flying high in the sky. Yes, students. Thank you. Have a great day. Now let's come back to yes, yes. So students, today we have seen about articles. Yes, and we have learned about the uses of articles. In your previous lecture, you have learned what is articles, and today I revised it. How to use, I have shown you how to use it in a proper way. There are many different uses of articles. Yes, very good. Yes. So students, today I'm going to give you one homework. What is that homework? Your homework is you are going to open your English textbook. Yes, yes. And you have to read any one lesson of your choice, which you like to read. Yes. So read that lesson and mark the articles. Mark the articles of from that lesson and think about it. Where they have used. See their use in the lesson. Where they have used before noun, before number, before singular, before plural. Mark it. Mark those nouns. Any passage you can take from your textbook, you can read it and see the use of a and the. Yes, I have told you it is an important component of an English because without which a noun is incomplete, without which a total sentence is incomplete. That is why a and the these three articles are used again and again in our English when we write, when we speak. Yes. So this is your today's homework. I hope you all have enjoyed the session, today's session. Have a great day. Like and subscribe our YouTube channel also to have fun and to get more educational videos also. So take care. Bye bye everyone. Yes. Bye everyone. Have a good day. Bye.